What's up, UHS hardware fans? It's me, Louie, here today and on the scene with this vehicle here. It's a 2008 Nissan Altima. I'm going to be programming an all-new prox key for it using the Autel IM508
and using an aftermarket remote smart key from Keyless Factory.
Should be pretty simple, pretty easy. Let's check it out, see how we get it done. Come with me.
Is it working?
Right, so that was incredibly simple, like expected with the IM508. Everything usually goes as such. If you want to check out anything in this video, including the IM508 or where you can get yourself a Nissan prox key like this one, go ahead and check it out at
uhs-hardware.com and search for Autel IM508. There's also links for them in the description below.
As always, thank you for coming out and checking out this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Click the bell down below so you can be alerted every time a new video comes out. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for checking out this video. Can't do it without you guys. We'll catch you next time. Have a good one.